Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to a special report on home loan affordability. Today we have the latest results of the Wizard Home Loans Affordability Report prepared by interest.co.nz. And as you can see here, we've got a slight improvement in July from June, and we're down from the peak that we saw at the end of last year in November. Now, what is home loan affordability? We measure the amount of after-tax income it takes from a median income to afford the mortgage on a median house. So we assume that you've got a loan that's 80% of the value of the house, and we assume some things about tax rates and work out what proportion of your after-tax pay is needed to service that mortgage. So it takes into account house prices and interest rates. So in July, house prices, at least the national median, according to the Real Estate Institute, that was flat. But interest rates are falling. We saw the average 2-year fixed rate mortgage drop to 9.08% from 9.21 in June. So you're seeing a falling house price, falling interest rates, improving home loan affordability. But it's still unaffordable for most. As you can see here, it now takes on average just under 2 median incomes to afford the mortgage on a median house. Now that's up sharply, as you can see from the chart here, from just over 1 in 2002-2003. Remember, we had that explosion in house prices, which took affordability beyond the reach of many people, particularly first home loan buyers. But the outlook is better. We are seeing an improvement in home loan affordability as house prices begin to fall, as interest rates begin to fall, and as we see significant improvements in nominal wages, running at about 4.5% to 5% at the moment in terms of growth. The Reserve Bank is expected to cut the official cash rate to 7.25% by the end of this year, and a good chunk of that cut is expected to flow through into fixed mortgage rates. The key will be what happens in the spring. There's been a Mexican standoff going on between the buyers who are waiting for prices to fall and the sellers who just don't want to sell at below the price they perhaps bought at or where they think it's worth. Eventually, those two will come together and we'll see the market clear. Could it be in the spring? Many people are thinking a lot of buyers will come out of the woodwork in the spring. The sun comes back and a few people are perhaps a bit keener to spend money. And we've often seen an increase in activity in the spring as a lot of houses go onto the market and a lot of open home sales go out around the streets. We'll see whether that spring increase in activity flows through into an improvement in home loan affordability. I'm Bernard Hickey for interest.co.nz. That was a special report on home loan affordability.